Hello everyone. I said I'm going to have a session, but I had a very tight weekend. But it's not too late. So there is a lot of changes in the price. But I would like to show you guys. This is where we are going to start on Gbpjpy. Checking also price on this Euro JPY. I see it's breaking highs. We took this low, breaking above it. So expecting price just to come in the middle of this range, at least middle of this range, or else 50% of it so that it can buy. Okay. Then for Gbpjpy, we have a lot of work here. So first, let me identify the range that we got. We have that one, and also we have this one. Okay. So my job was to check to understand what price will do here. Okay. So checking on this price, I was waiting to see price this week, the previous week, last week, to see either a candlestick that will be kind of inside bar, or we break below, then close bullish, right? This is a good indication of where price is going this week. Where now today it's on a Monday at night, but tomorrow it was a good scenario. Today was a good day to buy. So now I'm changing everything. So if I were to buy, this is my first place, because remember we have rejected, we closed bullish, taking below the liquidity below, closing bullish. So on Monday, that is today, okay, we were just expecting to buy. Okay, so where am I buying and why? Okay, so checking on this, let's see where the Monday was. This is the Monday. Okay, so what we have, checking on this, so we closed bullish, so we have to refine this. So this one will hammer to that level, so they have to look alike, so that you cannot going to get so these are the levels that we were expecting price to tap before reacting. See, so we were expecting to see price at least buying below that level, because we refined from weekly now to daily, so we have to expect price come there. So we can go break down to lower time frame and check if on Friday we had a good point to buy this market from. Okay, so I lost a level, let me recover it. So let me just use a different thing. What am I going to use? So let me use something different. That one, so that I can see it. So according to my price, refining it from low time frame, let me change the color. No, don't look good. Looking at my price here, I was not supposed to buy this market before we tap this level. Either we tap this level, remember this is for daily, this is for daily, this one is for weekly, and this one is for daily. Okay, so what we have, at least below the price that is the current one, the one we got after refining, we have this open close, so we have to go for the farthest. Okay, but it depends on price and time when you're entering your trades. So sometimes it can turn at this level, but market will go for the farthest. So now, having this at hand, remember we're supposed to use H1 because no, this is our weekly refining from high time frame. You understand? So we can use H1 for entry, but for me, because I know I've been doing this, I refine it even to M15 because I need an entry that I'm not going to have a serious drawdown. So looking at price before we woke up, price and came down. So we were bullish. So open low, okay, you know what follows. So this was Sakumi. So remember we enter our trades during Saine. This was a nice one, by the way. Look here. Look what happened. Saine, at this moment, this time, price at every time frame has to react and has to take some liquidity. And where was the liquidity? Remember what we do, our entry. We were going up, down, we broke above, we closed below. So the buy was supposed, if you were to buy, this was a good level to buy below this, exactly below it. Or you start buying small from below it and the rest at the level below, the serious level below. So look here, look what happened. Remember what price does. If market won't go, remember this market has, look at, you can see the price has gone down, open low, so high close. So even if it has come here, remember you are sleeping. Market has to take some liquidity. You put that in mind. Market, when it comes to present time, when the volume is coming in the market, there is a liquidity that will be taken. So for this very clearly, so let me just use this one and this one as my level. So I was supposed to start buying here. Okay, here. Why? Not exactly below here. Look here. Let me just show you. Because we had a deal in range somewhere, whereby these boys where they are and they position themselves. That's how the buy was supposed to look like. That's how the buy was supposed to look like. So I'm not going to mention more here. So I knew I was supposed to be doing my stuff here. This is full margin at this level. That was supposed to be a full margin because price and time has met, and we can see we are taking liquidity from that level. So we don't need this one. This was our liquidity and a sign of entry. So first position was above there. This was the first entry, and the second entry here with a full margin. So that's how we do it. I said I will give the signal. So guys, let me show you the target. Let me show you the target. First target, taking this liquidity here. Second target this open close. That target, that's where the market might end up. Yeah. Also, market might target all this liquidity here. So you can go and check the market. This is a video that I need you guys to follow. Put it in your portfolio, like to make a follow-up about it, and you'll see the power, because I know there's power. So if someone had this signal, this is a weekly signal. Yeah. So because we took liquidity below, we target in these levels here. Okay. finish all that. But this is where we're supposed to be start being careful. So that's how it is. So I said I will show that. I will send a video explaining some signals for this week. That's the reason because this signal started a week ago, but now it has confirmed. So I want to move to the next one, whereby I would like to show. I'm not going to speak about this one because already it's gone. Yeah, this one is gone. So let me speak about GBP USD. I have seen that same scenario somewhere. So I would like to point out some things also from a weekly perspective. So this is my levels whereby I would like to see price reacting from. Okay, so did not. So this is where I start. I had reacted here. Yeah. Okay. So what I was waiting for is to see a candlestick that is ranging or a take of liquidity above then close bearish. Let's weekly go to daily. Daily, we can see we had this high. Okay. Also, we rejected. I was expecting to see if I were to take trade today. This is not tomorrow. Oh, today is sorry on Tuesday. On Monday, I wanted to see this rejection area. Now we take out above the liquid, then we close going down, right? Reject this level, right? So range there, but nothing of that sort is being seen. So that one is valid. Still, it is valid. You know, invalid till it will be it's valid. It's valid. Eh? So checking on this, the reason why you see that as denied, look here. What did this happen? What did this do? Closing above, meaning this still a bullish scenario, you know. So market might now come for this liquidity. Okay, market. So for Euro USD, if it will come for the liquidity, for GBP USD will push also the same. So I'm targeting that level, right? So what do you have? What do I have for me to start buying? I have nothing also seen. I have nothing. Nothing, very much nothing. So it's either I come take this liquidity below our previous day, no, when I target that high for the week. So guys, this is very simple. I'm just pointing out some good things here. The good things here that can help you. So this is what I have. Also, I think you can see I have a candlestick that can tell me much. You see, we are targeting this level. Yeah. Also, I did a signal today on a pair that was what? It was gold. Huh? No, it was Euro Gbpjpy. For hourly candlestick, and I managed to get this liquidity above. It was very serious. Euro Gbpjpy, yeah. So, guys, that's good enough for you who is following me, so that it's not all for in vain. Something is good being cooked. So it's only that I don't have enough time on charts, but when I get time, I utilize my time well. I give you something, I put the other rest in my pocket. Also, you should know that. So let me check gold. Still bullish. Still bullish. Still bullish. Still bullish. So this is what? Wow. It took that lie. A week. So this will happen for next week. Well and good. I don't want to speak about gold now. No need. So not speaking about it. So guys, that's enough. See you and take care.